plant-based lifestyle would reduce my blood sugars, basically eliminate my cholesterol and my high blood pressure.
Ever ponder the mind-boggling possibility of bidding farewell to diabetes without popping a single pill, but simply munching on the good stuff?
I built up that physique based on the research I did and the nutrition that I ate.
Meet Lawrence Richardson. Diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and a side of sleep apnea at the fresh age of 30, Lawrence was in a bit of a pickle. Then, as if by magic, he stumbled upon a YouTube video preaching the miraculous powers of a 60-day juice cleanse. 55 days in, Lawrence is 50 pounds lighter and on top of the world. His diet? A heroic ensemble of fruits and veggies.
They're actually at their best when I'm eating the fruit and fruit smoothies in abundance. I mean, my normal blood sugar is under 120.
But a year later, Lawrence flexes his way into the bodybuilding scene, trading his leafy greens for meat and, dare we say, the occasional junk food binge. 4 years and several pounds later, he's had enough. Ditching the dumbbells, Lawrence makes a grand return to his plant-based roots. So, who's up for a diet that swings more than a pendulum? Lawrence Richardson's journey from juice cleanses to bodybuilding and back again is nothing short of a dietary legend.
For about 4 years of bodybuilding, I trained hard. I lost a lot of weight.
Once a devoted fan of all things greasy and cheesy, Lawrence took a wild turn into Veganville about a year ago. 9 months into his alkaline, plant-based diet, he noticed a significant change in his blood level and decided to go to the hospital for a checkup, where it was revealed that his health did a 180, sending his diabetes packing.
It takes time, it takes consistency, but it's very possible to reverse your issues and be healthy.
But don't be fooled. This wasn't some fairy tale stroll through the broccoli forest. Lawrence had to say adios to his beloved meat treats and hello to a world where kale is king. Now, Lawrence isn't just eating plants willy-nilly. Oh no, he's a bona fide guru of greens, turning down anything that doesn't scream, "I'm good for you." But what on earth does this man eat?
Actually, being in your watermelon 14-day washout, that gave me a lot of mental clarity. It gave me a lot of confidence to believe that.
Lawrence is all about keeping it simple and stress-free. He's the guy who'll tell you, hey, don't try to invent your diet in one day. Start small, like getting rid of the soda and replacing it with water, or sneaking more veggies into your plate. And his golden nugget of advice? Meal planning. Because, let's face it, wandering into the grocery store without a plan is like going into a battle without armor. Plan, prep, and protect your health, one meal at a time. So, if you're ready to embark on your own veggie-loaded journey without losing your mind or sense of humor, Lawrence has some tips that'll make even a carrot stick look exciting. One of the facets of his dietary approach is focusing on whole foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are packed with nutrients that can help you feel full and satisfied. Limiting processed foods is also beneficial. Processed foods are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. So, better to limit one's intake of processed foods and opt for whole foods instead.
Really, you have to educate yourself on what a plant-based diet consists of and how to thrive on a plant-based diet.
Another remarkable approach to Lawrence Richardson's dietary choice is his practice of mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food and eating without distractions. This can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues and prevent overeating. Let's explore the top foods he consumes for optimal wellness. Lawrence Richardson eats up to 5 meals a day. His first meal of the day is a smoothie made from frozen strawberries and blueberries. A strawberry-blueberry smoothie is packed with health benefits. Both blueberries and strawberries carry a low glycemic load, which means they don't cause a large spike in your blood sugars. Together, they provide antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin K. Strawberries and blueberries also contain anthocyanins. These substances can lower blood cholesterol and inflammation, which are major risk factors for heart disease. In addition to that, they promote healthy bones, as calcium is needed for building strong bones and teeth. On some mornings, he takes just mangoes. He says, Since the body undergoes a fast at night while sleeping, water and fruits are needed to gently wake up the digestive system and metabolism because fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber, which, if digested slowly, a person stays satisfied for a long time. For an early lunch, he consumes kale with lots of quinoa and chickpeas with peppers, mushrooms, and onions for added flavor. As a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, both chickpeas and quinoa offer a variety of health benefits, such as aiding weight management, improving digestion, and reducing your risk of disease. Quinoa is also rich in dietary fiber and protein. It increases metabolism and reduces food cravings, decreasing calorie intake. Chickpeas are a rich source of many important minerals, such as iron, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Iron is a major component of hemoglobin, the protein that makes up red blood cells and carries oxygen around the body. Properly balanced phosphorus and calcium in the body builds strong bones and teeth. Magnesium helps prevent high blood pressure and is an important mineral in nerve function. Consumers of chickpeas are shown to have higher nutrient intakes of these minerals. For dinner, he goes for what he calls high vibrational salad, which contains kale, spring mix, avocado, olives, carrots, beet, and sprouts. Lawrence confesses that of the things he loves most about the plant-based lifestyle is eating large salads, which can be customized as desired. Lawrence Richardson highlights several reasons why he adopted his current lifestyle, the most important being that he has never fallen ill since starting the plant-based diet in November 2022. It keeps him energized because he's able to work out twice a day, be productive at work, and spend time with family. Great for weight management, as with a plant-based diet, there is no need to count calories because he enjoys the food he eats whenever he's hungry. This also has helped curb his food addiction. This lifestyle also helps to keep his mind clear, sharp, and focused. And because of the mental clarity and increased confidence, he has been able to accomplish things that he never could while he was on a sad American diet. Exercise. Lawrence Richardson isn't new to the world of fitness. Before he adopted a plant-based lifestyle, he was into bodybuilding and weight training for 4 years. Before he begins his workout, he opts for a nutritional protein smoothie that contains organic spinach, frozen grapes, kiwi, peaches and pineapples, organic cherries, bananas, mixed seeds, and a scoop of protein powder. Protein smoothies are packed with nutrients that support weight management, boost energy and brain function, and promote digestive health. Some other days, he just goes for a variety of different fruits, like bananas, mangoes, pineapples, or watermelon. Next, he begins a run. Running, aside from being one of the simplest forms of exercise, is also a great way to achieve one's fitness goals. It improves productivity for the day, improves heart health, jumpstarts metabolism, improves sleep and mental health, and has been linked to better joint health. Then he goes for a variety of upper body exercises, starting with chest and tricep exercises like chest machine press, chest crossovers, triceps push down, inclined press, and chest dips, making sure to complete 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Next is some seated rows workout, behind the neck pull downs and pull ups. For the lower body, he starts with sitting hamstring curls, laying down hamstring curls, glute extensions, and finishes off with squats. Lawrence enjoys playing around and switching up his routine. Since he began his journey, he has undertaken a couple of challenges in fitness and eating. In June 2023, he underwent a 14-day watermelon fast where he consumed up to 4 large watermelons per day. At the end of the challenge, he noticed some remarkable results, such as a slimmer waist circumference, clear and supple skin, and clarity of mind. Other challenges he's completed include a 90-day raw vegan challenge, a 30-day plant-based nutritional challenge, and several other marathons. Sometimes he goes for unconventional routines like running up and down hills, going for a hike, or just taking a stroll in the park. Lawrence Richardson admits consistency is hard, hence why he shares tips regularly on social media on how to motivate oneself to exercise regularly. They include visualizing your goals, writing out your intentions, stopping focusing on the scale, getting back up when you fall, and most importantly, rewarding yourself for goals accomplished. Leisure. When he's not working out or granting interviews, Lawrence Richardson enjoys spending time with his family, most especially his daughters. whom he considers his sole reason for adopting a healthy lifestyle, adding that they deserve a healthy and responsible father to be there for them as they navigate through life. In just a year of switching to a plant-based lifestyle, his mind-blowing transformation has attracted praise and admiration from people worldwide. We are equally excited and can't wait to see what he achieves in the coming years.